And yeah, welcome to our Bangalore chapter meet. Thanks all for coming here. Yeah, and this is more about basically making a platform where people can come and share and go ahead from there. We may have more people come, but let's start.
Thanks Aditya and Agile Testing Alliance for organizing this.
Thank you so much, Nitesh. Thank you so much. We are really thankful to Unicom and all the people who are here. Thank you so much. We'll have a small round of introduction as well. Maybe that can go also. So can we have a quick round of introduction? Nitesh, we'll start from you.
Right. So I'm a co-owner of this company, which we are very passionate about organizing events, conferences, and recently we organized India Agile Week, and we have been working with Agile Testing Alliance, who sponsored India Agile Week, and I'm very happy to see the initiatives that the alliance is taking. And Agile testing is, I think, in the India Testing Week also, it's the #1 topic, in the area of testing.
Thank you so much, Nitesh, and we really appreciate Unicom, and thanks for so many kind words. Same thing for Unicom, we appreciate and respect what they are doing in the conferencing and the overall way that Unicom is trying to help the community learn and basically pick up knowledge. So really amazing guys. Alright, so
hi, I'm Arasu. I work for a company Composites. So I'm passionate about open source technologies, and I'm mainly into the security area. So Agile Testing Alliance is a platform where we can put out more about how we bring in security in testing and testing. So I was happy to be part of this.
I've been working in the industry for the last 16 years, and I've been working all the different SDLCs. And I worked a little bit on the Agile testing, but I would like to know more and just contribute from my side what are the experiences I've gained SDLCs, and then to learn more about Agile testing also.
sure.
Yeah, hi, I'm Arifa Aziz. I work for IBM. I was working for Nest Technologies in testing. So I'm more passionate about testing. So I would actually want to give up more, make sure that the knowledge is shared with the people around.
Sure. We were just having a quick round of introduction. My name is Aditya, Nitesh, Arasu, Ragutama, Arifa. Can you guys quickly introduce yourself?
Hi, this is Ayush.
Hi Ayush, good to see you.
Yeah,
Yes. Very nice to see you.
So currently I'm working in a Boston.
Yeah.
So quality analyst.
Very nice. Very good to see you, Ayush.
Actually, Amita,
Yeah.
I'm working at Accenture,
Okay.
and I'm not working in any technology as such. I'm in CRM support.
Okay. Very nice. Thank you so much for coming, and this is basically our chapter meet going on here. Hopefully, the next few meets will have more people sharing and coming together. Thanks for joining us. So, this is what our agenda is. I am just going to quickly introduce. We will have a presentation by me on Agile test estimation. I'll do that first, immediately after this introduction. And then we'll have Ragutama speak on different models and how basically Agile is in today's world. What is basically and what is exactly the Agile model. Okay. And then we do play a game, which probably I'll see if we can do that. If not, maybe we'll do it next time. It's called Problems on the Wall. Now what we do is we normally say that if you have any issue with reference to testing, why don't you come and write it on the wall? So while we are doing this discussion, if there's anything that comes to your mind that we want to discuss, then we'll all discuss it at a later point. So if we have markers, maybe we'll just share it, and then you can write your comments or your problem, and then we'll discuss it at a later point. Normally we use post-it notes, but now at this point we'll use this chart here for
I can have post-it notes.
we have post-it notes?
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll just, if we can have it, then probably we can just post it on the wall, and then it becomes a truly agile way of thinking and what needs to be done next. So we may take up some topics, like for example Agile and Civil, can that be done? Or maybe something comes to your mind. Or for example, you may be doing some QA work in acoustic. How can Agile be implemented, or what would be the models around that as well? Or within QA, anything with reference to QA or testing process, for example, all those topics or any other problems can be addressed, and that we can discuss it on our meetup as well at a later point. Fair enough? So let me quickly introduce and give you flavor of what exactly, and this is what the slide we really wanted to thank Unicom as well. So we kept it here, and obviously, and what Nitesh was saying is this is what the future is. So if you look at it, 84 or 83% of the people do claim that they are aware of what is Agile, and most of the projects are moving towards Agile. If we don't do it now, I think probably will be a little late. And Agile testing, as what we know, has been one of the most important topics, and people really want to learn that. And let's look at more numbers for you to understand where does basically the industry is. If you look at the total number of testers today, huge number of testers around. There are more than 3 lakh certified testers today.
I think this is the India figure only.
This is
All in.
all across. India may be a huge number from this. This is 3 lakh as supported by, for example, I am going to name ISTQB on their website, claims that there are around 3 lakh people certified across the globe. If you only take that number. And if we add few others and all, this number will go even further down. Okay, and plus, if you look at Agile practitioners, there are 50,000 certified Scrum Masters. And if you look at the number of Scrum trainings happening today, every month I see 2 or 3 happening across different cities. And this number 50,000 will turn to 1 lakh within 6 months. The progress is so good and so fast going on Agile. And where does it leave for testers? If you look at the testers, there's a gap. There are people teaching and people learning testing basics and practicing testing. There are people learning Agile and Scrum and all those things. But if you look at the people participating in the team, Agile testing is something which even is not being formally taught. And that is the biggest gap in the industry today. You can get into the team, everybody is a team according to Scrum. Nobody is having a separate designation, but you have these people like us who are into QA and testing, and anyway the Agile members as well. They would really love to have people who can play this role of a tester and a QA within the team. Now this is where the gap is, and that is where Agile Testing Alliance is trying to fill that out. And the chapters that we have, first of all, this is non-profit. The intention is not to make any profit. And there are 3 goals that we have. First of all, to grow Agile testing awareness across basically the community. Make sure that the practices are known to all. Make sure that people start accepting this as a fact and take this as a career initiative, and use this as a platform for making sure that they can get better salaries, better roles, and we basically have an option to play around with their careers as well. Plus we say promote self-learning, shared learning. So this is a forum where we'll have more and more speakers come, and this will basically become a platform where a lot of people will share their knowledge and everybody learn from each other.